People usually brush only their teeth. Today we are going to learn how to brush the teeth as well as the gums. Especially if you have got gum disease or bleeding gums, this will be very helpful. Everything in nature is usually round. The atoms are round, the nuclei are round, the cells in human body are round, the fingerprints, the iris, the bark of the trees, the pebbles, the clouds, the storm, the earth, the moon, the sun, the galaxies, everything is round or ellipsoid. All flat surfaces meet completely without leaving any space in between. However, when two round things meet, they always meet at a point, and there is space not only on the top and the bottom, but also on either sides of where they meet. Similarly, like all naturally made substances, the teeth are also round. Yeah? And because they're round, they meet at point. Yeah, everywhere. We feel that the front teeth are flat. Yeah. However, if you look at them in the cross section, they are also round. Yeah, and they meet at points as well. When they meet at points, there is space here and there is space on the inside at each junction. So you'll always find that every single place where the teeth meet, you'll find a space here, you'll find a space here. Find a space here, you'll find a space here. Yeah. When we're brushing with the flat surface of the toothbrush, yeah, doesn't matter if you're brushing round and round or front and back or down to up or up to down, doesn't matter. If when we're using this flat surface, what happens is the brush touches the convexities of the teeth, yeah, and on the outside as well as on the inside, and never goes in between these triangular areas on both sides. Okay, so it never goes in there. Yeah. Now there is an easy way for helping the brush go there. If we just move it at 45-degree angle and then brush, you will see that the brush easily goes in between. Okay, so that is essentially how we want the brush to go and clean the gums. Yeah, when we're moving with a manual toothbrush, it does these many strokes. But if we use an electronic toothbrush, it will do 100 strokes in a time we do few, so it will brush much better. This is how we want the brush to go in and clean those areas. So this is why we want to use the electronic toothbrush. Yeah? Same on the inner sides as well. This is how we want it to go and clean. At the same time, if I use it this way, you'll see that it is not going in. Yeah? But if I use it in 45-degree angle, you'll see that it goes and cleans those crevices. Yeah? So when we're brushing our teeth, yeah, what we really want to do is we want to start at one end. Yeah? We want to brush the top of the teeth everywhere. We want to brush the side of the teeth everywhere with the front surface of the toothbrush. Okay, and the inside of the teeth everywhere as well. Okay, and then after you've brushed the normal brushing, that is the top, the front, and the sides and the back, then we want to take an electronic toothbrush and start at one end and then go around cleaning independently with the side of the brush, so that we can literally clean the incidental areas everywhere. And we start at one end. So we start at one end and then go independently each place all the way to the back for a few seconds, all the way behind, and then on the inside. We're going on the inside, keeping it there for a few seconds till we come back to where we started. This way, we have completed an entire circle and cleaned the gums in between every single place all around the teeth. Yeah. After you completed the brushing, then you use incidental brushes and go in between the teeth and clean them. Especially if you have gum disease, bleeding gums, or your dentist has advised you to use any interdental brushes. Okay, so this is the end step. So after you're brushing, you use these interdental brushes and clean the gaps between. Now, these are the spaces, these triangular spaces is where the gums are. So with your manual toothbrush, you can brush the teeth really well, okay? But when you use it at 45-degree angle, okay, the manual toothbrush or the electronic toothbrush on both sides, and you use the interdental brush in between, that is when you are brushing the gums. Thank you. The recommended toothbrush is Oral-B Cross-Action Electronic Toothbrush. The recommended heads for brushing are Oral-B Cross-Action. And these are reliable interdental brushes called as TP interdental brushes, which come in different sizes.